Okay, so now for the second song, you asked me, hey, the Lord is good. Oh, all right. Both of them try to have similar progression, but not really. Okay, so for the other one, I would like you to play it on this very octave in that key of from your. Okay. Okay, do, ti, do, ti. Okay, do, ti, do, ti, la, sol. Okay, ti, do, ti, la, sol. Okay, so when you play that one finish, there is some other parts you normally play like this. Okay. Sol, la, sol, la, re. Okay. Ti, 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 sol, la, sol. Sol, la, sol, la, mi. Okay. La, sol. Ti, 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 la, sol, la, sol, la, mi. Okay. Make sure, like I said, make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning so you can have the same sound like mine. Okay, so the progression for that one is the Lord is good. The Lord is good. That is the chord progression. Though it has some makossa licks you can play. We did also, but at first you need to know the progression, how to program. My Lord is good. Okay, though some makossa line you can play. Okay, so I'm playing from my do to my do octave. From your do, 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 ti, la, sol, la, re. Okay, but you need to be a little more flexible. Okay, so that the harmonic can produce very well, can come out very well. Okay, so you need to be more fast. Okay, very simple. Then from your double strings here, you slide to. So from your va, sol, ti, va, sol, ti, sol, re, do. Okay. So that is it. You keep learning that, keep practicing that. Wherever you don't understand, get back to me. Remember, I told you the chord progression. Okay, all right.